Hey guys, it's Cheevers, and this is Notes from a Formulator. So if you're a label reader, then you know what a nutrition facts panel looks like. These nutrition facts panels provide a lot of critical information on what you're consuming. The key information that it provides is the total amount of calories, total amount of fat, total amount of carbohydrates, and total amount of protein. Now, there's a lot of nutritional philosophies right now that are talking about carbohydrates or focusing on carbohydrates. When you get the appropriate amount of carbohydrates for your lifestyle and your activity, you're able to lose weight and also resolve a lot of different health concerns. And the reason for that is because carbohydrates break down into sugar. And if your body is not ready to use that sugar as an energy source, it's going to be stored as fat and it's going to be very inflammatory. And that's why you want to be careful that you manage your carbohydrate intake. But if you're talking and watching about carbohydrates, you should understand another term, which is net carbohydrates. And net carbohydrates is actually the true amount of carbohydrates that causes that sugar response or that insulin response. And a net carbohydrate is actually calculated by the total amount of carbohydrates, and then you get to subtract the amount of fiber and then subtract the amount of sugar alcohols if those are present in the product. So let me give you an example. So here's a healthy bar here, okay? And this bar has 25 grams of carbohydrates, but it also has 8 grams of fiber and 16 grams of sugar alcohols. If you subtract the 8 and the 16 from the 25, you'll see that this only has 1 gram of true carbohydrate or net carbohydrate that's going to cause that insulin response or that sugar response. So therefore, that's the true amount of carbohydrate. So anyways, guys, if you're a carb watcher and you're be careful about how much you're actually consuming, make sure you're focusing on net carbs, just not total carbs.